Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Nano Banana for free. So go to deepimage.io, select text to image or something else. I'm just going to do like an idea here, wildflower trail. You can do anything that you'd like. Then here, make sure you select the Nano Banana. There's a bunch of others you can choose. You can choose this one, but this is not free, so choose this one. And then you can select either PNG or JPEG. And then, oh, okay, I guess I can just like create. Estimated wait 34 per, okay. It's generating right now, 30 seconds. So you're going to wait for me. You're going to wait with me on this one. And this is what it looks like. Super cool. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.